Identifying concepts and keywords related to your research topic in order to find higher quality information is a valuable skill that will help you throughout your education. Efficient searching requires foundational knowledge, which means we need to start at the very beginning. Start by thinking of a research topic or question and then choose 2 to 3 main concepts. So let's say the question is, should the government declassify more documents and records about UFOs? Concepts we can identify from this could be government declassification, documents and records, and UFOs. You may have thought of different concepts, which is great. This is more of an art than a science. What's important is making sure your concepts are the top things that you want to research and learn the most about. Once you know your starting concepts, we can begin thinking about keywords. Keywords are single words or phrases that represent your concept and are used in your searches. For example, if we want to focus on researching UFOs, keywords we could use to pull up applicable results could be flying saucers, aliens, or extraterrestrials. This is where the beginnings of a search often start. Oftentimes, starting with a simple search can lead you to learn about more complex keywords, which can then be used for additional, more precise searching. We all have to start somewhere. Before we get further into the search process, a good practice is to do a test run using your initial concepts. Remember that this is just the start of your search. Let's go through 2 options for conducting these test searches. For the first option, we're going to use the library's main search box called OneSearch. This can be found on the library's homepage. It's similar to Google, but provides direct access to our library's databases and resources. Type in your concepts and scroll through a page or 2 to see if anything catches your eye. This initial search will also help you get a sense of the type of articles and research that come up. Hopefully, there will be something you're able to use. But even if there is, it's still a good practice to conduct further, more involved searches, because many of these results seem to point to documents and records being too broad of a concept to search. For the second search option, you can view the Subject Guides tab on the library's homepage. If you select a guide that is relevant to your topic or major, you'll be able to access the best databases, books, and resources for your research. Each subject's page may vary from one another, but you will still be able to find the applicable sources you need. These are extremely useful tools, so take a look at them. We are going to focus on OneSearch in this video, so if you'd like more information about the Subject Guides tab, please watch our video on it. When we searched our concepts in OneSearch, we realized that one of them could be too broad. Now, if you do a test search and only find a few articles, or the results aren't relevant or specific enough, then you can drop a concept, maybe the one you think is least essential. In this case, I've decided to drop documents and records. If this happens, the next thing we need to do is brainstorm. We took the main topic and identified main concepts. Now, at this stage, it's a good idea to think of additional concepts to add to our list to increase our options. Here are additional terms and phrases. This is really only limited by your imagination and how much time you want to spend on this exercise. If you previously learned about other terms or phrases from the initial search, it would be a great idea to implement them here. For example, from the initial search, I remember seeing UAPs. This would be a great keyword to implement into the search process to further learn and find resources with. Ultimately, how you do your brainstorming is up to you, but hopefully this process helps you get started. In summary, choose a research topic or question, think of 2 to 3 concepts that relate to your topic or question, then do a test search. If your concepts seem researchable, begin adding keywords and phrases to advance your search. Continue to add additional words that you find to your search so that you can increase the number of relevant results. This should kickstart your efforts in searching effectively. If you have any questions or need further help, please contact a librarian through the University Library's homepage. We are here to help. Thank you for watching this video and good luck in your research.